want to talk really quick about this digital scale that we purchased. This scale is actually made out of glass, and on the underside it does have 4 rubber feet that don't allow it to go ahead and actually slide on any surface when you have it sitting on anything. And then it is powered by batteries. There are 3 AAA batteries in that little port. We've had this for about 2 years. And my favorite feature about the entire thing is that it is Bluetooth capable. So there is an app that you can go ahead and download on your phone that is called Fit Days. And when you open it, it'll go ahead and actually tell you what your last weight was, so that when you step on the device, I'm gonna go ahead and step on it here, y'all gonna know my weight. It will beep and it'll tell you what your weight is and what it's registering. So not only does it do that, but it also will go ahead and it'll actually give you a report of all of the information. So, you know, what your weight is, what your BMI is, and if you go to the chart, it'll tell you and keep track of all of your information by the week, month, year, and kind of give you a breakdown of your BMI, your body fat, the percentage of water that's in your body, as well as your skeletal muscle, all of this information. So if you're trying to keep really good tabs and track of all the information that you have, if you're trying to cut weight or trying to lose weight, this is a wonderful thing to be able to have. So again, look, my body age is 50, although I'm not 50 years old. It gives you the truth. I guess I need to go ahead and start working out, huh? Anyway, great scale, good information. My kids use it here recently. It also allows you to be able to go ahead and program more than one person. So if you had yourself, your husband, a couple of kids, and you wanted to program them into your phone, you could, and it would actually go ahead and keep track of that information as well.